Alright, here we go. We got two videos on the same day. Usually never happens. Can I sell this guy? He's not Arsenal. Wow. Okay. Alright, here we go. So. Oh man, here we go.
Close your eyes.
No. This is either a 93, a 94, 95, 96, or 97. From 93 to 97. 3, 2. We're gonna do reveal 1. Oh, Blake Bortles. That's me though. Literally, my name is Blake though. Literally, I could do the Elite Eggs Exchange, but I don't want to. I can do the Egg of Power. What's the freaking Egg of Power? Oh, defensive game. Oh,
See how much he goes for.
that's beast. 94 Black Bortles. If he goes for a lot, I'm gonna sell him.
When it goes like 500K, and they bought it.
Blake
Bortles.
like Bo.
Type elite.
No. Let's do 94. Actually, all I need to really do is Easter egg. Alright, 200K.
I didn't buy it.
People are bidding on them though. 195. 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. Ah! Alright, I think 200. Like, people aren't buying them for 200. What about
150.
Oh shoot, 170. 160. No, I'll sell them for 160. 155.
Are the burritos done?
We're going to get burritos, silly.
Oh.
I don't know actually. You know what? I'm gonna trade them in for Easter eggs. I'm gonna trade them in for 30 Easter eggs.
No. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna trade them in for 30 Easter eggs.
You could get in the six.
Who knows?
For 6 million.
What?
They go for 6 million. The elite ones, I think.
The elite Easter eggs?
Yeah.
What? I don't.
Yeah, they do. Auctions.
Reset.
They go for 4 million.
Bro! There's no way.
Like, quick lunch.
Oh, why don't they go for that little?
Bro!
They're not going for 1 million, Blake.
Alright, you know what? Fine. Alright, so sets.
You're gonna do it.
And I'm gonna go.
There's the elite one. Do you want to? Okay.
Okay.
Gold.
Gold, gold, gold. Gold, gold, gold. Gold, gold, gold.
What if you get all golds?
Gold.
Would you care if you get all golds?
Gold, gold, gold. Gold, gold. Gold, gold, gold.
Do you care if you get all golds?
Gold, gold, gold. Gold. Alright, well, I got all golds, but because there's no way this is gonna be an elite. I don't care though, because the Easter eggs could have an elite player in them. Okay.
No, that's dumb. That's really dumb. You get only one.
But it could be an elite.
Wow. So dumb.
I don't care. I'll take a gold
A
Easter. I'll take a
gold.
gold Easter egg. I don't care. I don't care. I'll take a gold Easter egg. I think I have like 44 Easter eggs. 47. And I'll get to open all those up. Check out the egg to see what's inside.
I want to see what you get in the gold eggs, though. Do you get like a gold player in each one?
This will hatch on 4/16.
Is that close?
Bro, I swear that's today.
But it says in 41 hours.
Oh, 41 hours. And they're crystal eggs, not elite eggs. What's the Madam Mobile mystery box?
I don't know how you get 'em.
Oh, wait, are the... What's the Madam Mobile mystery box?
No, what if you get like all gold players in it? That would be so beast.
Alright. Live events. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here.